Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check your battery percentage on the Apple Watch. So, today I have the Apple Watch SE. It doesn't matter what Apple Watch you have, it's going to work the same on the all Apple Watches. Now, as you can see, on my watch face I have the battery percentage right here on the top, left bottom corner. If you don't have it on your watch face, or you just have the different watch face that doesn't display that, you just want to go on the power button right here, press it once, and now right here you are going to have your battery percentage displayed and how many percent you've got left on the battery. So this is it. This is how it works. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.